Welcome to Unit 3, Week 3. And first, reminder, get your LIB 101 assignment turned in. This is Tuesday. If you're watching us on Monday, happy Labor Day. If you're watching this later, I hope you had a good Labor Day. But get that assignment turned in, and your terminology assignment is due next week, next Monday on the 10th, so get that done as well. For this week, we are going to talk about classification systems and how we organize information. So as you can see, we have so many books. Libraries can have thousands and thousands of books. Some might even have millions of books. And that's a lot of books to have to find the resource. So whenever you're looking for a book, you need to know how to find it. We don't just remember all of these. That's just not going to happen. So when you're looking for a book, we use what we call call numbers, which is on the spines of the book. The call numbers help us to know, it's like the address of the book. So think about people. If you're trying to write a letter to somebody and you want them, maybe you have a check in it and you're trying to get that to them, or somebody's trying to send you a check, they need to know your number for the house or the apartment, whatever the building is, P.O. box, street address. They need to know obviously the city that you're in and the state, and then the zip code. So all of that stuff helps us to find you. Books have the same thing, and we have different ways of classifying them. So one of them is called the Library of Congress classification system, and that's the ones that you see often in academic libraries. And then there's the Dewey Decimal classification system, and that's the one you often see with your school libraries and children's books and often public libraries, okay? So you may be more familiar with that one. But what it is it's going to show you letters, numbers, and sometimes when you're looking at them it can be a little confusing, but you're just taking it that first part. For an address, we have the number and then we have the street address. For here we have the letters and then we have the numbers. And then we might have another letter with some more numbers. And that's fine because you just take it one part at a time. Dewey Decimal, it's just flipped a little bit. You have numbers first and then letters, okay? And so the videos for this week are going to tell you all about the Library of Congress classification system, the Dewey Decimal classification system, and then there's another one, the Government Documents classification system. And that's the one, it's still important. Government documents have a lot of resources, statistics, information that you can use when you're doing research, but you still need to know how to find it, and it is a different system than everything else. So watch those videos, and then you're going to do the assignment. And that one is about finding a resource. You're actually going to put it into practice, and you're going to tell me the title, the author, and the call number of that resource that you choose. And you're going to use the catalog to do it, okay? So if you have any problems, questions, concerns, let me know. Get in touch with me, and we're going to let you guys have that experience, have that practice, and then I'll see you next week. We'll see how you did, okay?